Hi everyone, it's Toysley. Today I'm going to show you how to make fidget toys with beads and with some things that you might already have laying around in your house. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed. Okay, let's get started. So for this fidget toy, I decided to go with green, yellow, blue, and purple beads. You can always use different colored beads. I just thought these colors look cool together. I also will be using a yellow pipe cleaner, and I am going to put the beads through the pipe cleaner just like this. I'm going to put the green bead first, then the yellow, blue, and lastly purple. And I will be following that pattern. Super simple and super easy to do. We are almost done. I just have to fill this part up. And I am going to fill the pipe cleaner with beads all the way to the top. Once you are all done filling the pipe cleaner with beads, we are now going to bend the end of the pipe cleaner so that the beads won't fall off. We don't want that to happen when we're fidgeting with the toy. So we're going to bend, bend, and bend. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Bend, bend, and bend. And we are done with our first fidget toy, and then you can just play and fidget with it all you want. It's super quick and easy to do. For this DIY fidget toy, you are also going to need some pipe cleaners. I am going to be using a white pipe cleaner for this one. And I am going to use some green beads. Look at how nice these green beads look. I'm obsessed. Then I'm going to get the white pipe cleaner and wrap it around my index finger to measure it. I'm making sure to leave some extra space so it won't be so tight on my finger when I'm playing with it. Once I am done measuring, I am going to grab my scissors and snip the pipe cleaner. I'm going to grab my green beads and put them aside for now, and then start putting the beads on the pipe cleaner. Now I'm going to tie the ends together to make it into a ring. And then that's it for this fidget toy. That was pretty easy, right? For the DIY roller fidget, we are going to need some cardboard, a ruler, some toothpicks, scissors, and an X-Acto knife. Before using an X-Acto knife, make sure to get an adult's permission or help before using it. I am going to grab a piece of cardboard and I am going to make it a lot smaller because we don't need all this cardboard. I'm going to use a ruler to make straight vertical and horizontal lines because if I don't use a ruler, I know my lines will come out all wonky. Once you're done making your lines, it should look something like this. Now I will be using my X-Acto knife to cut out some rectangles. are almost done. Now to make it more sturdy, I like to make another cutout the same shape and size and tape them both together. That way, it won't be so flimsy when you're playing with it. And we are all done. Alright friends, well thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Alright friends, until next time, bye!